Let's discuss also what kind of things may be the left. You can see, let me just scroll up. Okay, check it again back. If you don't know that, check over here. First, we need to go to the your Chrome browser, right? Search on the browser, download Android Studio and the apps. See over here, I go to the search engine. I search over here, download Android app. After later, this type of screens will be a come. I want to click over here, download Android Studio, right? After I want to be agreed to the particular terms and conditions. Then after what happened, I want to be go to the download folder and I want to open this file. And after setup file over here, just you need to be a send next. After that, we need to be a click that virtual machine also I want, means virtual device also I want, for I want to see to the output. Click that also, click on to the next. After later over here path, it will be showing automatically. I want to say that next also. Again, that we do not need to click over here the shortcut and anything, just say to the install. After the installation, something installation part will be started, means they will be saying over here installation complete. Then say to the next. After that, shortcut you want to be create or not, or you want to be start right now or not. Yes, I want to be start right now. Just say to the finish. When you start to the finish, over here something dialog box will be showing. You want to be suggest anything for your Android helping line, right? Means for Android who developed that, right? So I don't want to be suggest anything. Click over here, don't want to send any message. After this one, we automatically this screen will be open welcoming, right? Just click over here next. After that, over here I think so these two steps they are not showing me, because what happened previously, I installed this application, right? So what exactly we need to do, if suppose this kind of screen will be a coming, that is called click on to the next. This is welcoming screen, right? So I'm clicking on the next. After that, what we need to do over here, they are saying that Android setup for the wizard, right? Installation, I want to be installed for to the standard purpose, right? Standard purpose install, not the customize. Okay, not the custom. Just say to the next again. After later over here, verifying to the settings, we need to be verifying all settings like how much GB we are taking, everything. Just say to the next. After later over here, your accept to the Android SDK license, we need to be accept license both. Okay, so we need to be accept this one also, and after later down also something will be a con accept both. After say to the next, and then after finish. Okay, then your this screen will be a present, right? My one, I think so in my one, two, and these three and four screens are not available, not showing, shown, because of maybe I already created to the I already installed this one in my computer. That's why this screen particular is not showing. Okay, but it's not a big deal. Okay, so this is exactly the step we need to be a follow. Let me stop my video over here only.